You can add a textual context bridge to explain the context of any element. Click the Context Bridge button on any empty container. The Context Bridge Creation panel opens. Click Video. If you have several devices connected, you can select a camera. From the microphone drop-down, choose a microphone to record with. Select a camera resolution from the drop-down. Click the drop-down to select a ready script to read. Or write a new script that you can read while recording. You can save the new script or edited script by clicking the Save button. Click Start Recording. Click Record to start recording. You can adjust the scrolling speed of the text with teleprompter speed control. Click Stop to stop recording. Click Retake to do more takes if you are not satisfied with the current recording. You can discard all takes and close, or you can select the best take and save by clicking Save and Close. Name the file. Click Save. The video context bridge is now saved.